Good morning, students. Next topic is solving trigonometric equations. Solve each of these equations from 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 360. You see here 2 sin x equal to cos x is the first one. When there are two trigonometric ratios, it is difficult for us to solve it. So I need to make them into one trigonometric ratio. How? By dividing both sides with cos x. This gets cancelled. I get 2 tan x equal to 1 and tan x equal to 1 by 2. So I have a positive result. Tan is positive here and here. So my answer is x equal to tan inverse 0.5 or 180 plus tan inverse 0.5. So tan inverse 0.5 is 26.6. So 180 plus tan inverse 0.5 will come 206.6. Are we clear so far? Look at second sum. When it is 2 sin x minus 3 cos x equal to 0. Again two trigonometric ratios, I want to change it to 1. So again I will divide by cos x cos x. So how much do I get? 2 tan x equal to 3 I get. So tan x equal to 3 by 2, which is 1.5. Where all is it positive? Again here and here. So again it is same, x equal to tan inverse 1.5 or 180 plus tan inverse 1.5. So tan inverse 1.5 is 56.3 and 180 plus tan inverse 1.5 is 236.3. Are we clear so far? Now look at third sum. It is 3 cos 2x minus 4 cos 2x. Again two trigonometric ratios, let us make it into 1. I wrote it wrong. 3 cos 2x minus 4 sin 2x it is. So make it into one trigonometric ratio, which is equal to 4 sin 2x. Are we clear? Let's divide by cos 2x. Here also cos 2x. It gets cancelled. So what do I get? 3 equal to 4 tan 2x. So let us write tan 2x equal to 3 by 4. Are we clear? Again, where all is tan positive? Here and here. So my earlier when there used to be x, I used to write x equal to that. But this time it is 2x, so 2x equal to I need to write. 2x equal to tan inverse 3 by 4 will be 0.75 or 180 plus tan inverse 0.75. So tan inverse 0.75, how much will I get? 36.9. And 180 plus 36.9, 216.9. See, whenever there is 2x or some other values, here it is 36.9. I can complete the entire circle and get one more angle over here. That angle will be 36.9 plus 360. So it will come 396.9. Same with here. I can complete one entire circle and get one more angle here. That angle will become 216.9 plus 360, which will be 576.9. Now to get the values of x, each 2x value should be divided by 2, comma 216.9 by 2, comma 396.9 by 2, comma 576.9 by 2. So the values that I get are 18.4, 108.4, 198.4, comma 288.4. These are the four values of x. Since there was 2x, I am adding 360 to this and getting one more angle. If I add 360 to this, I will get one more angle. Like that, it never stops. It goes on. But if the other angle, when it's divided by 2, that will go beyond 360. So I am not writing that. Are we clear? Whenever 2x or something else is there, add 360 to this and get one more angle as well. Now look at this sum. Here it is sin 3x plus 2 cos 3x equal to 0. Again two trigonometric ratios. I need to make it into 1. So sine 3x equal to minus 2 cos 3x. To make it into 1, I divide by cos 3x. So how much do I get? Tan 3x equal to minus 2 I get. This time tan x is negative. Where all is it negative? It's negative over here and over here. So work of negative sign is completed. So how do I get an angle in second quadrant? It is 180 minus tan inverse 2. To get an angle here, it will be 360 minus tan inverse 2. Here I get 116.5. 360 minus this, I get 296.5. If there had been only x, directly I would have told these two are the answers. But since it is 3x, add 360 to this and write here. 116.5 plus 360. How much will you get? 476.5. One more angle is possible. If I add 360 to this, how much will I get? 656.5. If you add again 360, you will get one more angle. They go on, they never stop. Since the curve doesn't stop, the values go on. The deciding factor is over here. I want x values only from 0 to 180. This is the deciding factor. Let us see. These are all 3x values. So x values will be how much? 116.5 by 3, comma 296.5 by 3, comma 476.5 by 3 and 656.5 by 3 and so on. So here how much do I get? 38.9 I get. Here 98.9 and over here 158.8 and for this 218.8. You can see I told deciding factor is this one. My x value should be less than 180. This is exceeding. So I stop over here. These are the three values for x which satisfy this particular equation. Am I clear? Whenever there is 2x or 3x, add 360 and then bring that 3 as the denominator, then you see. Okay, let us look at next sum. It is 4 sin 2x plus 0.3 minus 5 cos equal to 0 for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. Whenever it's given in terms of pi, you need to put the calculator in radians and you should leave your answer also in radians. Am I clear till there? Okay, next the catch is this one. This number is common, or else shall I continue, or else let us continue then. Two trigonometric ratios, I need to make it into one. So sin 2x plus 0.3 equal to 5 cos 2x plus 0.3. I divide by cos 2x plus 0.3. So here also cos 2x plus 0.3. They get cancelled. Here it becomes 4 tan 2x plus 0.3 equal to 5. That means tan 2x plus 0.3 equal to 5 by 4. So it's a positive one. So where all is tan positive? It's over here and over here. So 2x plus 0.3. Earlier, if it is x, I used to write here x. Now 2x plus 0.3. So 2x plus 0.3 equal to tan inverse 1.25. 5 by 4 is 1.25. Right? Yes. It's also positive in third quadrant. How do I get an angle in third quadrant? Generally, I used to write 180 plus. But over here in radians, it should be pi plus tan inverse 1.25. How much do I get over here? Let us see. Tan inverse 1.25 is 0.896 and pi plus tan inverse 1 is 4.0376. Let me check one more angle. To get one more angle, I should add 360 to it. In terms of radians, it is 2 pi. So I get 7.18. I feel till here only my value will satisfy. Now 2x plus 0.3 equal to 0. So how do I get x? Plus 0.3 subtract 0.3. Here it was into 2, so divide by 2. Same way, 4.0376 minus 0.3 by 2. The other angle also same way, 7.18 minus 0.3 by 2. So the values of x that I got are 0.295 and 1.868 and this is 3.44. Deciding factor over here, it is still 3.14. This is beyond that 3.14, so this cannot be considered. So values of my x are only these two. Am I clear? Based on the given, I need to choose till that place. And if it is given in radians, my sum should also be in radians. Am I clear with this or any doubts? One more thing I wanted to tell. If there is x here, directly go with x. If there is 2x plus 0.3, go with 2x plus 0.3.